Hi everyone, I'm Noshat, Partnership Manager here at AirHomeDesign.com. I'm really excited to walk you through how our platform can completely simplify your listing marketing. Whether you are trying to stage a vacant photo, or enhancing a couple of photos, or even adding a beautiful dust to your hero shots. Or maybe you're trying to showcase the renovation potential of your property to prospecting buyers. So, without any further ado, let's explore all the tools AI Home Design is offering right now. As you can see over here, by clicking on all tools, you can see all the AI tools AIHomeDesign.com is offering at the time. As you can see, we have categorized our AI tools into three main sections. Under our virtual staging section, you can find our AI virtual staging, as well as our human virtual staging, which is merely for complex spaces and is going to be done and delivered by our team of professional human stagers. Under our photo editing section, you can find our AI Day-to-Dusk, our AI decluttering or item removal, as we call it over here, and our AI image enhancement. Shortly, I will showcase each of these tools and will tell you how each of these tools is going to help you with your listing marketing. And lastly, under our third section, we have our renovation tools. These tools have been designed so agents can showcase the versatility of the space and the renovation potential of the space to prospecting buyers. We will get to these tools later on, but for now, let's get started with one of the most popular tools here at Air Home Design and generally among realtors, our AI virtual staging. As you can see, generally you have three options to upload your photos. Firstly, you can either upload your photo from your computer by browsing through your file, or you can simply drag and drop your photo. Let me showcase that real quick. Let me find a photo and let's go with this one. I simply drag it and drop it over here. So this is the first way of uploading your photo into AI Home Design. A second option would be uploading your photo from My Photos section. To ensure I'm going to convey however My Photos section works correctly to you guys, please allow me to generate a photo first and then come back to this section. And lastly, we have another way of uploading photos into our platform as well. This is for the times that you want to see how this AI tool is going to function, but you do not want to spend any of your credits. We have predicted a solution for that as well. By clicking on Use a Sample, our AI is going to automatically choose a photo and upload it into our platform. So you can see how the tool is going to function without spending any credit. But for now, to ensure I'm going to showcase the full potential of our AI virtual staging, please allow me to upload a photo from my own computer. So let's drag and drop this photo one more time. As you can see, my photo is already furnished, but there is no problem. Here, we have a remove furniture toggle. By turning on this toggle, our AI will automatically declutter the space and then it will stage it based on your preferences. By preferences, we mean two main things. Firstly, the room type you're looking for. Currently, we are offering more than 7 spaces, and I can promise you guys that we are trying to continuously add to these spaces based on the feedback you're going to provide us. So I can promise you that the number of these room types is going to grow over time with your own help. But for now, we are covering bedroom, living room, dining room, home office, kitchen, single bedroom, outdoor, bathroom, foyer, basement, nursery, and even kids' room. This space to me looks like a bedroom, so I'm going to choose the bedroom again. Once I choose my room type, it is time to choose the second preference, the style that we want our AI to apply on the furniture. This is in some sort of way the interior design style that you're looking for as well. As you can see over here, we have a prime style which is going to focus on the layout of the output rather than the design style of the furniture, and it's going to generate the fastest result. We also cover modern, contemporary, Scandinavian, industrial, farmhouse, Hampton, and last but definitely not least, our traditional style. Let me go with our prime style for now and click on generate. That's it. For getting a virtually staged photo, that was all you need to do. Right now, as you can see, three attributes are going to be generated. All of these attributes are usually ready within 30 to 35 seconds. So by clicking on generate once, you are going to get three outputs. This is to ensure you are going to get a result that you like in the first try. As you can see, I have three outputs right now, and I can choose the one I like most between these. But suppose I like this picture, but I do not like how this chair looks like over here. I do not need to re-upload my input photo and get another generation. All I need to do is to click on this button over here. By clicking on remove items, AI will enable me to brush over the item, furniture, decoration, or anything in the picture that I do not like, and merely and specifically deleting that from my photo. To better do this job, you can also zoom in to make sure you're going to do an accurate brushing. And over here, I can choose my brush size so I can brush over the item in the fastest way possible. Let me brush over this. For brushing, I need to click on my mouse pad or on my mouse if I'm using a PC and I start brushing over the item carefully. Keep in mind that you should not let go of the mouse pad or the mouse unless you are done with your brushing. Once you let go of the mouse, the AI will automatically start to detect the object and get rid of it. Now I'm done with my brushing, so I'm going to let go of my mouse pad. As you can see, the AI has automatically started to remove that specific item from my picture. That's it. As you can see over here, the chair has completely been deleted from my photo. All I need to do now is to click on done. That's it. Now I have my virtually staged photo ready to be utilized. Here, this little symbol you see over here is our bookmark function. By clicking on this, you will definitely find this output way faster on the generated photos section. I'm going to showcase that section to you guys as the last part of our tutorial. But trust me, bookmarking an output is the easiest way to access that output later on. Allow me to showcase our free regeneration feature to you guys as well. By clicking on this button over here, regenerate for free, you will both be able to get another set of outputs with the same preferences you had chosen before, and more importantly, you can get a new set of outputs with your new preferences without having to upload your photo one more time. So let's say this time, instead of bedroom, I'm looking for a single bedroom, and instead of the prime style, I'm looking for a modern style. By clicking on generate, I'm going to get another free output by regenerating with my new preferences. So, put it shortly, you can get as many outputs as you want by uploading merely one photo into our platform. Not only we will generate 3 outputs at first, by regenerating for free, you will be able to get another set of outputs either with the same preferences or with new preferences that you can choose from. So, as you can see, our new outputs are now ready as well, and I can go through each of them. Again, pro tip, make sure to bookmark the output you like so you can find them way faster in the generated photos section. Now that we have the output that we like, we can download it. At AIHomeDesign.com, when you click on download, you get a couple of extra options. Firstly, you can add a virtually staged label on your photo. This is because a number of MLSs require you to disclose that this picture has been virtually staged. So we have made the job way easier for you guys. By clicking on this, your photo will come with a virtually staged label. More importantly, you can also add your own logo and see the photo being downloaded with your branding already on it. We understand that MLSs do not allow you to upload any photo with any watermark on them, but we have developed these features to ensure if you want to create marketing assets from these pictures, you can add your own logo and the virtually staged label right here. The third option that you have and you can choose from is to either download the photo with the same quality or upscale the photo and get the output with a higher quality. Mostly for MLSs, we encourage you and suggest to upscale the photos as it is completely free and it would be much better for presentation. Now that we have covered our AI virtual staging, let's move over to AI Day-to-Dusk, which is another popular tool among realtors. This time, I want to showcase the My Photos section to you guys as well. As you can see, and as you might recall, at the beginning of tutorial, I told you guys that you generally have 3 options to upload a photo into our platform. Either by uploading or drag and dropping the photo you like, using a sample, which is completely free, or the My Photos section. As you can see, once I click on View All, I can see all the input photos I have uploaded into the platform over the time I have been here. The good thing about My Photos section is that by choosing one of these photos that you have already paid the credit for, you won't need to pay any extra credit. You can use the same input photo for free. Doesn't matter if on the same service that you had initially uploaded the photo on or on a new service. Let's say I have uploaded this service on our AI virtual staging before. Right now, on our AI Day-to-Dusk, I can select the photo from My Photos section, upload it into our AI Day-to-Dusk free of charge. I think this one because it has a big sky in it as well, it's a good fit for our AI Day-to-Dusk. As you can see over here, we offer a bunch of sky styles. Let's go through them together. We offer dusk with cloud and dusk without cloud, twilight with cloud, and twilight without cloud. For now, let's go with twilight with cloud. And as you can see over here, we do offer a couple of extra options as well. We offer shadow removal to remove shadows for a more realistic result. And we offer lawn touch-up or lawn enhancement for pictures that obviously have lawn in it. So let's just click on generate. And as you could see, since my photo was uploaded from the My Photos section, my generation is completely free. As you can see, our result is now ready with a magical twilight with clouds at the background or on the sky. By clicking on this button which says compare, I can compare my before and after photos to see what AI has done to the photo. As you can see, the sky has been added as a twilight with cloud. Just like our AI virtual staging, we offer a couple of post-generation tools on our AI Day-to-Dusk as well. Simply by clicking on Edit Photo, you will access these post-generation tools. Here on the sky replacement side, I can simply choose from these twilights with clouds and replace them with the current one. Let's go with this one. Seems magical. In a couple of seconds, our AI is going to replace the current twilight with cloud with the new one that we have chosen right now. The sky has been replaced with the new twilight with cloud. Another post-generation tool that we are offering at the time is darkness adjustment. To be honest with you, this picture is not well suited for darkness adjustment as the whole property cannot be seen here. Allow me to upload another photo so you can better understand this feature. As you can see, I have uploaded another photo so I can showcase our darkness adjustment post-generation tool to you guys as well. Let me click on edit photo one more time and click on darkness. Here, I can make the property dark or even a bit darker to make the sky pop out. Let's go with dark this time to see how our AI is going to change the picture. As you can see, the property is now a bit more darker. Let's go with darker to see the maximum amount of darkness our AI sees fit for this picture. As you can see, the property now is way darker. By clicking on save, I'm all done. Keep in mind that regenerations are free on all of our AI tools. Just like our AI virtual staging, I can click on regenerate for free again and choose either the same preferences or a new preference. For example, I can turn off shadow removal and lawn touch-up for the new output and choose twilight with cloud instead of dusk with cloud this time. I click on generate and that's it. As you could see, you not only uploaded your photo for free on our platform, since you had already paid the credit for it on another tool, you are getting as many outputs as you want on that input for free with different preferences. As you can see, this was our previous result, and this one is a new output with a new set of a sky. Again, we have the same download preferences over here as well. As you can see, Our day-to-dusk photos are already upscaled, so you do not need to upscale them again, hence you cannot see them here. And also, there is no need for a virtually staged label here because the photo, as you definitely know, has not been staged. So the only download option you have on our day-to-dusk, the only download option you need on our day-to-dusk is to add your own logo. You might forego that and simply click on download and get your photo. Now that we have covered our AI virtual staging and our AI day-to-dusk, it's time to jump to another tool that is well popular among our users, AI item removal or AI decluttering. Allow me to upload a photo from my photos section because I have already paid for this photo and I don't need to spend any more credit for it. I can choose this photo, I have uploaded it back in March, but I can still use it for free. As you can see, our AI item removal offers two kinds of removals. Firstly, you can empty the whole room. We call this whole room decluttering as well. Or you can remove items one by one, just like you did on our AI virtual staging. But for now, let's try the whole room decluttering. Let's see what our AI does to this well-furnished picture. As you can see, all of the furniture have been removed perfectly from the photo. All the background reconstruction seems awesome as well, and the photo is now decluttered and ready for virtual staging or any other purpose that you're looking for. This time, allow me to showcase the one by one removal to you guys. As we've seen on our AI virtual staging already, our one by one removal enables you to brush over the items you do not want on the picture and see them vanish in a matter of seconds. Again, you have the option to zoom in for a more accurate brushing, and here you can choose your brush size so you can cover over the unwanted object quickly. I think the third one is going to work perfectly for this artwork. And again, please keep in mind that brushing works by clicking on the mouse pad or the mouse and not letting go. So you need to brush over the whole object by pressing or clicking on your mouse pad or mouse and then let go. Once you let go, the AI will start removing that item automatically. Here, as you can see, the majority of the artwork has been removed, but the frame is kinda still there. No worries at all. This might happen with AI item removal at times. All you need to do is to rebrush over the items or over the areas that has not been removed yet. That's it. By doing that, those areas will be decluttered as well. As you can see, the artwork has now been fully removed from the wall. By clicking on done, I'm done. I can save this photo, download it, or again, bookmark it so I can find it way faster on my generated photos section, which I will showcase to you guys at the end of the tutorial. For now, let's move to our next tool. Now it is time for our AI image enhancement. Generally speaking, and in a simple language, AI image enhancement takes a plain photo and turns it into a professionally taken and professionally edited real estate photo by correcting the lights, lines, adding colors, and so on. Let me showcase how it works both on an indoor space and on an outdoor space. Please allow me to choose a photo from my photos section because I have already paid for these and I can re-upload them on any tool that I want regardless of the initial tool that the picture had been uploaded onto. Let's go with this picture again so you can see it is actually still free, although I had used it on AI Day-to-Dusk as well. As we all know, this is an indoor space, so I'm going to select indoor. And different enhancement options are going to be here for indoor spaces. As you can see, if I had a fireplace, which I don't have on this picture, I could add fire to fireplace for a more vibrant feeling. I can add a screen to TV. I have a TV over here, so let's try that out. I can remove extra objects. I don't see any extra objects over here, so I'm not going to turn that on to prevent AI confusion. I don't see any minor blemishes as well, but if I had, I could turn this on as well and turn on the lights. Let me turn on the lights as well and click on generate. As you can see, the lights have been turned on, the environment is way lighter right now, and the TV has a screen on it. Let's try AI image enhancement with an outdoor photo right now. All I need to do is to click on new upload and upload a new photo. Let me see if I have any outdoor space on my photos section. If not, I can always use a sample or yet again upload a photo from my computer. I think this is a good outdoor picture, so let's use this one. This time we have an outdoor space, so I'm going to choose outdoor, obviously. And with outdoor, we have different enhancement options. We have lawn replacement. I see a bit of lawn here, so let's try that out. You have the sky replacement option, again adding fire to fireplace, removing extra objects, removing minor blemishes, which I think is going to work over here pretty good, and turning on the lights. Since I like the lighting on this picture already, I'm not going to turn that on. So let's click on generate. As you can see over here, and by clicking on compare, you can always compare the before and after pictures. The lawn has been enhanced and blemishes have been removed. To be honest with you, this picture did not have that many blemishes to remove, so it has mostly focused on enhancing the lawns and the greens we see on the picture. Again, just like any other tool on AI HomeDesign, you have the option to regenerate for free, either with the same preferences as the first photo or by choosing new preferences. Now that we have covered all the AI tools on AIHomeDesign.com, let me showcase generated photos section, which I have been talking about since the beginning of the tutorial. To find your generated photos section, you need to click on this icon next to all tools and simply go to generated photos. Here, as you can see, all the photos you have generated over time is going to be appeared here. You can see them, go through them, and even further edit them. Again, as you can see, you have the option to filter down these pictures. For example, I just want to see my AI virtual staging outputs. I can see all of those. You might recall this one. Let me click on this to showcase how you can keep editing on a photo way after you have generated it. By clicking on this button over here, which says continue editing for free, I get the option to both regenerate that output, either with the same preferences or with new ones, just like how the regeneration works on all AI tools on AI Home Design, or I can remove items on the output days after I have generated. So by clicking on continue editing from your generated history section, you are able to work on that photo for as long as you like and without losing it ever. So let me go back to the generated photos section. Here you can see the bookmarks section, which I asked you guys to trust me on this because you're going to find the outputs way faster. As you can see, I can find my outputs which have been bookmarked very easily. If I had not bookmarked those photos, I had to go through all the results and find them with a bit more effort. Although you are able to filter down the pictures by choosing the services, I think bookmarking is still the way to go.